Toriata i. Toriata i. Coming in as we land. Tatatoyanoya. Tatatoyanaya. Taishoya. Through the base of the brain. Chakoya. Into the shoulders. Staying present here, chono otai anoya ta ai koi. Ai koi. Bringing and gathering choro otai to surround. Finalizing choro otaki through the center, chono otaki. As you justify, chono ota otoya choshai. As you solidify, chono otaki choshai. Your position here, chona ata ich oyataki. Looking within. Into the center, into the center of the disturbances, coming into your heart, reclaiming this here, through the right side of the field, through the right side of the heart, through the right side of the mind, where you have felt displaced from within your own space in time. Breathing through the lungs, centering here. And guiding the field, grounding in, taking notice of the atmosphere here, through the left range, and applying your light wherever you feel uneasy, intimidated, instead of bouncing out of stability, coming in more deeply here, standing to your ground, questioning what lies here, what lies here, within your presence, what lies here, transferring the experience of discomfort, grounding in wherever you experience this, coming into foreign body template, taking up residence here. Wherever anyone is reflecting back to you, taking space there. Chara otana ich no oya dakai. Chosho oya dakai. Coming to the base of the tailbone, chara otaki. Looking deeply here within the space where we feel to hide, where we feel to die, where we feel we cannot bear to bring ourselves up above, into this space, connecting through the central core, through the chamber of darknesses, Dara Otaki Chokoya, through the chamber of darknesses, Dara Otaki Chokoya, the base of the head, into the spine, this ventral vagal channel, through the heart space, clarifying to your redemption, Dara Oshishishi Diano Koya Chashi. The energy of the sister holding space in alternate dimensional ranges. Taking up residence here again, Ki through the heart, forming polarity, allowing the reverberance, and connecting through the feminine ranges, through the lineage, spreading this through the heart space as it arcs through the fields interdimensionally. And sending out this signal through the heart space connection. Standing solidly now in truth, in knowing, as knowing, slowing through the mind, slowing down the time-space interdimensional links, the spinning arc through the field, safety, slowness, stillness, coming to rest here, dismantling the reverberations of ancestry. Shana each yatokoya chisha each na each oyadaki. Reigniting through the womb, Chaoya, Dai Chishoya, Dakai, as it is so.